G'day guys, welcome to the channel. Thanks for watching. So I'm just going to show you a little issue that I had recently with the Honda CRV. Notice that the temperature gauge was going up a little bit if I was crawling in traffic, off-roading, etc. So I thought, okay, what's going on here? But I pretty much quickly diagnosed the situation, going online, looking at YouTube, etc. But had a feeling it was the little fan switch. Little sensor that sits at the bottom of the radiator. Now this sensor could actually cause you large overheating issues, so you've got to watch it. But basically by testing it, I actually turned the aircon on, and it brought the temps down pretty quickly. There's two electric fans in this Honda, and it switches on automatically. Now normally when the temp gets up to a normal range, it's all fine, normal driving, you get airflow through the radiator, sort of ramming air effect. But if you're queuing in traffic or etc., one of the fans should come on and just keep those temps constant. But it wasn't doing it, so I thought, okay, coming on with the fan, the fan coming on with the aircon, all good. The fan's not coming on without the aircon, so the aircon switched off, but that little sensor down at the bottom of the radiator wasn't doing its thing. So basically, I'll show you where it's located and the old switch. So here's the old one. So as you can see, I mean, it looks okay. Nothing was cracked. There's the electrical pins in there. Wasn't leaking, anything like that. But they're known to go away. So it's basically just a generic Chinese brand. So where they are actually located is, sorry about this, is you will find it right there. So that's where she is. You can just see the electrical wire and the actual switch there. So it's pretty easy to put on. Just drain the radiator via the radiator drain plug, sitting right there, and just, unscrewed it and put in another one, which is the new one that you can see there. So that's all good. So just currently topping the radiator up again, and hopefully it'll be all good. So basically this is pretty good coolant. There was nothing wrong with it, so it's going back in the car. Drained it in a perfectly clean container, so I won't have any issues. So I'll just do some burping of the system once it's all gone in there again, and we'll see how we go. So I'll come